What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna try to see if we can get the Ruckus started without a battery with some tips I found on 90 GT Bert's channel. He's the admin for 49cc Scoot. So let's get this rolling. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. So today we are going to do something a little sketchy. By the way, this is a GY6 that is dead, and what I'm about to do it at your own risk. I am not a mechanic, and this could do more harm than good, so just heads up. The first thing we're going to do is just take these apart so we can take the CVT cover off. So from what Bert was saying is you hit this with a drill, not an impact. Reverse, kind of like you're coming out. So trying to get the screw out or something. And sometimes it works to where it gets the engine going. So let's see if we can do that. Alright, so I found the right adapter. Oop, it's flying everywhere. Let's see. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Take the barrier, the Voss, and everything out. Put this 15mm back in. Oh. Give it a few chugga-wuggas. Okay, and then there's no in there. Nope. Okay.
Tomorrow.
Alright, so other than trying to get the Ruckus running today, we'll be installing the new merch. I really need to clean the whole car, but I'm gonna make sure I can get this one done.
Day 3.
Alright, so today, which is the third day, but the same video for you guys, we're gonna try jumping the ruckus with the Fiesta. So before I start, the first things you guys need to know is you do it with the car off, because the charging system for the car is a lot more powerful than the one for your ruckus or your moped, so just keep that in mind. I'll have to kind of undo the battery box so I can access the battery, and then get the jumper cables, put them, connect them, and then give it a try. So yeah, that's what we'll do. Alright, so I'm gonna get the tools for this. Baby Spaz is helping me. Now I just gotta take the battery box off. You are patting your helmet. I think it's this one if I'm not mistaken. Perfect. We're just gonna fast forward through this. Okay, don't judge me. The battery box is a bird's nest. At some point I'm gonna have to clean all of that because that looks horrible. But I gotta move things out of the way so I can get to the positive terminal. It's just a cover. And we'll go ahead and do what we're supposed to. Alright, so first, open this up. Oh, of course I would have just broken that. Yes. Yep, we're gonna plug in the battery of the car to the battery of the ruckus. They're brand new, I got it for the car, but it will do just fine for the ruckus. Actually, they're brand new because I haven't opened them, but I got them when I first, probably about a year ago, whenever I ran out of battery on the Fiesta. It was not a fun experience. Oh, these are straight up separate. Okay. There's my wife.
Later.
Alright, so we got the battery of the Fiesta connected over here to the positive side and the ground. Let's see. Come on. Choke us up. Everything's good on that end. Come on, come on. Okay, let's give it another try. 2.6. Come on. Come on. Let's just try it over here. Full blown parallel. Come on. I tested for spark already, so I know we have spark. Kind of tried to do it here a while ago, a few tries ago. Come on. I cleaned the carb, the jets, both the main and the idle jets, just the carb itself. Carb cleaner all up on it, took it apart. Still nothing. Come on. Let's see, make sure the choke is on. Yep, the choke is on. I gave it the kiss of life already. Oh, we're getting somewhere. Yes! She lives! Ooh! Okay, let's see. This battery is straight up dead. Like, I won't be able to turn this on unless it's jumped. Alright, so she lives. She's on life support. But she lives. Alright. Hell yeah, next video will be a ride. See you guys on the next one. Spouse out. Later.